Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking camera access and permissions, so scanning is immediate. Open the QR image on your screen or place a printed code under the webcam. This avoids wasting time. Then launch a QR scanner application or the laptop camera if it supports QR reading. You do this because apps vary in focus speed and decoding algorithms. Using a dedicated scanner often yields faster results. Once the camera recognizes the code, make sure the preview is steady and centered before the app attempts to decode. You now focus on getting a clean capture for the decoder. Position the QR about 6 to 12 inches from the webcam and center it. This ensures the lens can focus. If the QR is on screen, lower brightness slightly to avoid bloom. If printed, reduce reflections by altering ambient light. Once framed, tap or click the scanner's capture or scan button and hold steady. The app will analyze the pattern and decode the payload. If it's a URL, the app typically previews it before opening. You're at the finish line. Review the decoded content and decide the action. Open a URL, copy text, or save contact info because safety matters. If the scanner fails, take a clean screenshot of the QR, crop tightly, then upload it to an online or app-based decoder. This bypasses camera focus problems. Make sure drivers and the scanner app are updated. If hardware still underperforms, plug in an external webcam. One quick troubleshooting tip: always try a screenshot crop first. It often solves blurry captures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.